Hello everyone, welcome to Technical Uchai. In this video we'll learn how to install the WordPress in our local PC, and I'm going to use the XAMPP server for this video. Okay, and then also I'll show you from where we can download the WordPress and then the XAMPP server. Okay, let me open my browser and show you from where we can download those two files. So let me open my browser, and on the search bar just type download WordPress, and on the top page it says wordpress.org. that is the official website of the WordPress. Okay, just simply click on that link. Once you landed on the WordPress home page, and just scroll down the halfway of the browser, you will see the download link. So the current version of WordPress is 6.1.1. the version might change. Okay, so if you watch this video after 6 months, 1 year or more, the version might change because the WordPress always release the new update. So it doesn't matter what version you're gonna use for your project, the process will be the same. Just follow my steps and you should be able to install the WordPress in your PC. Okay, let's download the WordPress for now, and just wait for a second. And the file size is not that big, it's just 23.85 MB, which is small in size. So my file, I already got the WordPress file. So let me open the folder and unzip. So once you have the file, so we're gonna need this file later on. So, and we also need the XAMPP server. So on the web browser again, just type download XAMPP, and that is the Apache friend. So that is the official website of the XAMPP server. Okay, so simply visit the first link, and there is three different operating system. So one for the Windows, and one for the Linux, and one for the Mac. Okay, so I'm using the Windows, so I'm gonna download the XAMPP server for the Windows. So I'll simply click on the download and wait for a few seconds, and it will start downloading. And the file size for this version is 142.77 MB. So let me download it. Once the download is completed, just simply open the folder where the file is located, and simply right click, run as administrator, and follow my steps to install the XAMPP server. Okay, and I'll guide you how we can install. So continue, yes, because I'm using the two screens, so it's like the setup is just going on the main screen. So that's the welcome window. Simply click on next. So from these sections we're gonna need two files, just keep the SQL and my PHP my admin. Rest you can untick. We not gonna use for this video. Okay, and you don't need to keep these. Yes, simply keep the PHP my admin and the SQL, and click next. And that is the folder from where your XAMPP server will located. If you want to change, you can change it, but I will keep it by default for now. And simply click on next and select the language, or I'll keep the English, and click next and click next, and just wait for the file to install. Now we successfully installed the XAMPP server. So do you want to start the control panel? Yes, we do. So simply click on finish. So that is the control panel of the XAMPP server. Now we have to run the Apache and MySQL. Okay, simply click on start. And from the services for on MySQL line, there is admin. So simply click on admin to set up the database, because we have to set up the database for the WordPress file. Okay, so simply click on new and type the name, your database name. I'll type and simply click on create, and that's all you have to do. So the username and password we're going to use the default. Okay, I'll show you what is the default password and username when we set up the WordPress. Let me close this, we don't need that one anymore. Okay, let's go back to the control panel. Simply click on the Explorer, and that will open the XAMPP server location. So we need this HT docs. Simply click on that, and from there right click, new folder, and that will be our website name. Okay, just type whatever name you prefer. I'm gonna type technical chart and double click and open. So that is empty for now. So let me put side by side so we can have a look. So that is the WordPress file that I downloaded before. Simply, or maybe Control A, select all and copy, and go back to the XAMPP server locations, and inside the folder you just created before, and right click, paste. Once you paste the WordPress file successfully inside the new folder, you now visit the web browser, and on the open new tab and type localhost / and the folder name. My folder name is technical outside, and click enter. Now we're getting the welcome to WordPress. Now let's click on the let's go. Now we have to type the database name, username, password. So what is my database name? So you go back to the localhost. You remember we created the database before, that is my technical, which I'll simply copy that one, copy the name and paste it there. That is my database name. The default username is root and the password is empty. By default is the username will be root, the password will be none. Just leave it empty and click on submit. So once you click on submit, you're gonna see this window, and click on run the installations to install the WordPress. Now we got the welcome window. We have to type the WordPress title name. I'll type technical, yeah, I'll keep the same, and the username I'll put the technical Ujai. I'll put the same password too, and I'll click on confirm weak password. It doesn't have to be that strong. So my email address is this, and simply once you fill up all of these, simply click on install WordPress. Now we got the success message. Simply click on login. Now you type the username and password. Okay, so that's my username and password. I'll simply click on login. Now we successfully installed the WordPress. That's how you install the WordPress in your PC. If you face any issues while installing the WordPress in your PC using the XAMPP server, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to reply as soon as possible and help you to install the WordPress. If you successfully install the WordPress in your PC using the XAMPP server, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you faced any error while installing the WordPress in your local host, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to reply back as soon as possible so that you can have WordPress in your personal PC. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and do like and subscribe. And if you want me to make the videos on a specific topic, let me know in the comment section too, and then I'll try to make the videos on that topic. Thank you for watching, guys.